Hey everyone, today's topic is the good old trading classics, the moving average indicator. Enjoy. So you guys watch my videos, copy my trades, but still want to earn more? Exclusively for such ambitious traders, I created a Telegram channel. There are regular trading signals over there with a win rate over 83%. Follow the link in the description, trade according to my signals, and make money with me. Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you guys how to make money off of binary options using one simple strategy that implies one free indicator that works 95% of the time. If you really want to make profits and learn how to trade, then watch this video carefully and until the very end. Enjoy! So let's add our indicator first. We're opening this section right here and selecting the moving average indicator. Now let's pick the right time frame, choosing the 15-second option right here. Now it's time to set up the indicator properly. So we're clicking right here, selecting 13 for this option and adding an extra pixel to our indicator in the style section. Clicking on save. In this indicator, we can see a line. This line is going to play the role of our support level. If the price touches this line, we will open a trade suggesting a pullback from this line. I hope it's clear. Alternatively, if the price reaches this line from the top, we will place a trade upwards. And if the situation is the opposite, if the price reaches our line from the bottom, we will place a trade downwards. I hope it's clear so far. Now let's start trading and get to practice. I'm placing the first $100 trade downwards. Wow. We can see that the price has reached the line, which is a resistance level for us right now. And from that point, it goes down. In this case, I entered for 1 minute. Generally, of course, I use 15 seconds, but in this particular situation, I can see a big full-bodied candles that could cause a small upward motion. So yeah, guys, also today I'm taking lots of risks. However, I strongly recommend you to strictly follow your risk management. It's very important. So our trade closes in a profit. As you can see, there was no upward motion. In fact, I could have easily settled for 15 seconds as the trade's expiry time. So I'm placing a trade downwards. We can see the price has approached this line right here, which plays the role of a support level. From this line, I'm expecting a downward price motion. And look what a great move. In this case, I also used 1 minute. The thing is that you can't open trades for less than 1 minute at current affairs without any OTC mark. That's just how it is. So let's look for other situations. So I found another case, placing a trade downwards. As you can see, the price has come back to our line. And look again, just what a great price fluctuation we managed to capture. And see how well our account balance has increased ever since we started with $100. So I'm placing another trade for 15 seconds. As we can see, in this case, the price broke through the line and retraced back to it. However, if we take a look at the candles, we can notice these previous reactions to this line, a bunch of them. This indicates that the downward motion is to be continued. So yeah, this is called a level retest. We confidently closed yet another trade with a profit. So I found another situation, but before I place the trade, I want to reduce the deal amount. Yep, a downward trade is done, is placed. Aside from the fact that the price is touching the line, I recommend you to look at the candles just as well. Look at how big the upward shadow of this candle is. This candle confirms our entry point. And the trade confidently closed in a profit. So I see another price approach to our line and place a trade. The signals from this indicator are generally even more valid when they coincide with the overall trend motion, meaning if we see that the overall course is downwards and at the same time we see a signal pointing downwards, this signal is to be highly relevant. The trade closed in a draw. Just an extra glimpse of a second would have been a loss. Nevertheless, I'm placing another trade. I want to change the expiry time to 15 seconds and wait for the candle to settle, and we're going to place a trade. And the trade confidently closed in a profit. Let's sum things up at this point a little bit. As you can see, thanks to such a simple strategy, we managed to increase our deposit from $100 to $2,000. Just imagine what would have happened to your account balance had you been trading with me all along. Guys, by the way, today I'm hosting a free trading session on my Telegram channel where you can make money with me. All you gotta do is copy my trades and you will make real profits just like I do. The link is in the description below this video, just like always. Now let's move on to withdrawing our money, withdrawing our profits. By the way, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Feel free to DM me via the link in the description just as well. So, back to withdrawing, we're going to the finance section and clicking right here on withdrawal. In this section, we want to enter our withdrawal amount, then the wallet address, and the verification code. Continue. And our withdrawal request is successfully submitted. That's it for today, I guess. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.